delightful cooking time. I'm Ruth DeVoe, registered dietitian, and joining me today is Kevin Moe, all the way from Canada. Well, I see what you've brought here. Tell me a little bit about the soup.
Well, this is a squash potato soup. It's very simple, very healthy, no fat, and it's very easy to make.
Oh, it'd be a great one now with fresh squash coming in season.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Just put 4 cups of chicken stock in there. And then I have about 4 medium potatoes. Then we'll add butternut squash.
I was waiting to see if you're going to try to peel that because I know it's tough to peel. You're going to put everything in here?
Yeah. After about 25 or 30 minutes, everything will get nice and soft, and you can puree it with I like to use a hand blender. You can really just add everything at once with this soup.
Boy, this is convenient.
And that's the one thing. Soup can be finicky sometimes, but the easier it is, the more chance someone else will like to make it.
Oh,
so
this would be most convenient.
If everything can be made in one pot, that's the way I like to do it. I like to use fresh basil.
Oh, wow.
Really adds to the color of this soup.
Oh.
Really makes it attractive.
Garlic?
Some people don't like garlic. You don't have to add it. I think garlic is good for you. A little salt and pepper to taste, whatever you like. I don't use much salt at all.
And you just let that simmer, huh?
Yeah, that's about it for this stage. After about 25-30 minutes of simmering, all the vegetables will get nice and soft. And then all you need to do is puree it a bit. A low-fat or a non-fat yogurt. Just add about a cup, and it just whiz it up.
Let's give them the recipe, Kevin.
4 medium potatoes and 1 butternut squash, and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and 4 cups of chicken broth. Salt and pepper to taste. 2 tablespoons of fresh basil chopped. 1 cup of plain low-fat yogurt.
This is a great recipe here.